counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father had to break you. Living in my shame like the Father didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
All right, what up, chat? Good morning, good morning. Welcome in, welcome in. 90-10 out here. Let's go. Happy Monday. Welcome in.
You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise.
All right, big blessings in the house. What up, big blessings?
Wash away my shame.
What's good? What's good? Welcome in. Welcome in. What up, Z Gamer? Gregski, my man. How was your holiday? Hope you're well. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Dominic? Ewan in the building. What up, OGH? Happy Monday. Dropout Traders in the house. What up, Dropout Trader? What up, Luke? Luke Dean's in the building. What up, Zyper? What up, Wokey? Yo, yo. What's good, everyone? What up, DJ Scratches? Louis G in the building. The mod squad is here. Yanosh is in the house. What up, Yanosh? What up, Stevie Mac? What up, Simple Trading? Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Good evening. Welcome back to a New York live stream. What's up, Earl? Earl in the building. Human Trading Bot is in the house. What up, Jedi777? It's goody. It's goody. How you guys feeling, man? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are well. Hope you and your family had a great weekend. Time to eat. Time to eat. We back. What up, Magnus? What up, Mr. Lopez? Big Magnus in the house. Early for NY. Engineer 14 in the building. What up, Engineer 14? What up, Jason C? What's good? What's good? Alexandros, my man from Greece. Me and my wife are coming to Greece. There's no doubt about it. We're on the way, bro. Oh, man. What up, SG80? All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome in. Welcome in. Let me just get everything settled over here. Share my screen. Share the music. All right. Luigi, Shelly, Magnus, what's goody, y'all? How y'all feeling? What up, what up, what up, hey, man? Hey, man. What's good? All right, hey, how'd everyone's weekend go? Did everyone have a good weekend? Talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me. What up, the Don? Yes, sir. Greek meetup coming soon. Facts. The original Don Dada's in the building. What up, Ali? 3 ants in the house. What up, 3 ants? How are you? How are you? Stephen B is in the house. Let's go. Look forward to seeing Stephen B this week. Getting a shake the man's hand in person. Let's go. Let's go. Boring weekend. Ooh. Boring weekend's not too bad. Sometimes it's good to have a boring weekend. I haven't had a boring weekend in quite some time. I look forward to a nice boring weekend here sometime in the next month or two. All right, let's rock and roll here. Again, I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Monday. If you guys can give the stream a like as you settle in here today, give the stream a like for me. Give the stream a like. What's up, Clubhouse? Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Whoa, all I could say is holy about the Clubhouse webinar this weekend. W, gang. W, man. Seriously. What a webinar. I believe the recording is up. Yeah, I believe the recording went up yesterday. So for those of you guys in the Clubhouse that didn't catch it live, the recording is up now, so you guys can go check that out. But let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to pray for you all. I'm going to bless this week ahead, and let's go ahead and get started. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you that we can come together, Lord. We thank you that we are here. We recognize you. We choose to recognize you, Lord. We choose to pray in your name because we believe. That's how faithful we are, Lord. We know that if you came down, that you would say, ye of little faith to so many, but not here at TTE, Lord. We believe. We believe, Lord. So we thank you for that belief. We thank you for that faith. Lord, we thank you for setting a vision in our hearts and the opportunity to go after it, Lord. I pray that you would bless your people that come in and out of the live stream today, Lord. And we thank you for the work you're doing. We give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. Let's get it. Blessed week ahead, my friends. Blessed week ahead. What up, Spidey FX? Spider FX. What up, what up, what up? All right, let's go ahead and get started. Today is October 21st. It is, Monday. Good old Monday. Who's happy to be back here on Mondays? How many of you guys, a little bit different than your jobs, right? You're just excited to show up to work on Monday. I'm excited to be back at the desk. It was a good weekend, but we're back here, man. It's October 21st. We are almost all the way through the month, about another 9 days or 10 days, I believe, left. And it's been a good month. It's been a good month. It's been a good month to run into some losses, man. We were due for some losses throughout the year, and you know what a great month to celebrate how much wins we've taken all year and all the victory, right? And we get a couple losses here, which is very, very healthy. We needed to add that to the P&L, otherwise the system wouldn't be the system without it, right? So wins and losses are all good as long as you're following your plan, as long as you're staying on your P's and Q's. Everything is all gravy, baby. So let's take a look at the news here up ahead today. Again, Monday. Not much happening here. You got some Fed stuff going on a little bit later in the afternoon, but nothing too crazy. You know, nothing too crazy. If we move into tomorrow, which is going to be Tuesday, again, nothing much here. You got some stuff on the pound. That's about it. 10 a.m. Member of the Fed speaks, and then you've got this, you know, I'm not even too sure what this what that is, but it's an orange folder, so nothing too crazy. No red folders today or tomorrow. And then as we cruise into Wednesday here, it doesn't look like we have much red folders at all this week. So not much happening on the US dollar. You'll have like your little crude oil inventories come in, and the Fed is speaking all week, and you know, all that good stuff. So nothing as we approach Wednesday, but of course, right, Thursday obviously is going to be the red folder day for us trading the US dollar. You're going to have unemployment claims coming in at 8:30. You'll also have all of this coming in, this flash manufacturing PMI as well, 9:45. That should bring some really, really solid volume into the markets. And then, you know, just a couple things later on throughout the day on Thursday. So that's pretty much our big day of the week. Thursday, if I were you guys, I'd be pretty patient here this week. Not too much red folders, gold's in the all-time highs. I wouldn't be coming out the gate swinging, man, like as if it was like June, July or something like that. All right, let's be smart with our money. Let's be smart investors and business owners. Okay, so Friday is another day with just orange folders here. So nothing too crazy this week. Again, gold is in the all-time highs. Treat your trading like a business, and just think about the investments that you make here this week. Be a good observer this week. That's all I'm gonna say. So let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals, and let's do a top-down analysis. You guys ready? You guys like the stream? You guys like it yet? I'm not gonna check. I don't even want to check. I'm gonna just start the technical analysis. But hey, if you guys can like the stream, give the stream a like. If you're not sub to the channel, sub to the channel, man. I think we're about ready to start our call to 100,000 subs. I just feel it. I feel like we're ready. We're ready to start that march to 100K, and we're almost halfway there, and I think we can get there. I think we can get there by Q1, Q2 next year, and I'm excited about that. I'm excited about more workers coming in because, again, the harvest is plentiful. It really is. It really is. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis here on gold. Let's take a look at where we're at. And hold on. Keep looking. Keep looking. Yeah, there we are. There we are. All the way up there. Okay. So let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis. Let me lower this music just a little bit here. And let's begin to see what we got going on here today. How's the music? It should be good. Yeah, should be good. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and run this and see what we got going on here on gold. Very, very interesting place to be on gold, right? So obviously we will track back to, I guess, this support right here. So there's a major support level sitting right here that we created, and we've just been blasting off ever since. If we notice that prior to that, you had a support sitting right here. And then you have the main area before the big breakup, right? So these are your, notice how price is just continuing to get higher and higher and higher, right? So these supports keep forming above and above and above. So ideally on gold now, you know, you want to see some sort of a pullback on the daily and, you know, continue moving up, right? I'm sure that's probably what we'll see, unless some things happen where all of a sudden the dollar gets in a good position and, you know, gold begins to drop down here. So all in all, again, we were kind of moving up out of this consolidation here, right? As you can see, these are all sideways printing candles. By the way, anytime you see a big piece of consolidation like this, get ready for the big breakout, right? The stronger the consolidation, the stronger the breakout. And that's exactly what happened here. We ended up breaking out, kind of creating a new support and just launching here. So day after day after day after day, we began to launch. We range again a little bit. Price kind of comes down. We fake out here, right? If you notice there's a support here, we end up closing back above and then just start shooting up here. So gold has just been ripping now for the last, I think, 5 or 6 days, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. And then this is going to be our 5th day here if we do close bullish later. So one thing I want to draw your attention to is the fact that we just don't have top wicks, right? Or a bottom wick or bottom wick or bottom wick, or you know what I mean? So it's just very odd that we're making this big move up. At some point there's got to be some sort of a pullback here, even if it just comes like right into this range and then jumps back up from there. So all in all, I am pretty bullish, right? I'm pretty bullish here on gold, but we'll see what's going to happen for our session here today. So let's take a look at the 4 hour and let's see what we got going on. We're just continuing to crack all-time highs here. Just cracked all-time highs again right now. So wow, 1, 2, forget about this one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 4-hour bullish candles in a row. This is our last support, man. This is absolutely insane. So yeah, just continuing to move on up. This candle sits here, right? It closes bearish. Everyone who's looking to call the top, once they see that right, break of the lows, they're in, just demolished here. So don't try and short this market here today, right? If you're going to short this market, you need to wait for a strong support, right? A range, and then probably even like a range 2 below that. So I would not really get too crazy. At least a range, right? You need some sort of a support formed. I wouldn't try any fades today. I wouldn't try any onions today when it comes to shorting gold. It would only be a breakout. So what I mean by that is if we create resistance and then support and then we range and then we have this range here, it would have to be some sort of a closure below that range for me to even think about selling the market here, right? We're way too high to buy. We're way too bullish to sell. So it's one of those days where you just really got to be patient here. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is just chopping its way up, steadily moving up here, just steadily moving up. So you have a major support sitting right here. There's really no resistance at the moment. I guess this one could claim to be some sort of resistance, but Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 30. Yeah, there you go. So you got a 30 resistance here. You've got support sitting, you know, here, but then it's here and it's here and it's here. So it's very, very choppy and difficult on the way down. So I think, yeah, you need. I'm bullish, right? So we just got a support here a little while ago. We're probably going to continue moving up, and then I think what I would like to see here today is something along the lines of this, right? Maybe a big move up and then some sort of retracement. I won't take these sells here today. I'm not going to get too aggressive here today at all. And some sort of a pullback, right? And if we can kind of pull back and create new support, same as always, as you guys can tell, I'm a rinse and repeat trader, right? If we can create a new support, then I will enter buys to retest the highs. Yeah, and that's it. That's my move of the day. Sells are not looking good whatsoever. I really do not care for these sells at all today, right? I don't even care if they drive all the way down. So just looking for new support to potentially take buys, and then you know, if we get like some sort of a funky range up here, and actually let me run that back here. Where is it? Yeah, right here, right? So now if we get a closure below here, right, then I think the sells aren't too bad. So hold on one sec. Yeah, right here. Right, if we get a closure back below, then I think we could probably come back down into the range and, you know, be able to push down, especially if this is going to happen at like 9:30 or something like that, where you got volume coming in. I would be looking to close partials and all that right around here, and then just let the trade run. Cool. So that's it. That's it. It's a little bit of a weird place that we're in. Just going to see if this candle wants to juice up. Let's see if we can create some new range, create a new resistance somewhere up here, retrace, and then this is our move coming back up. Cool? Or my move. I don't know about you guys, but that'll be my move coming back up. All right. So that is the day. Lovely Monday. Don't let Pac-Man, you know, kind of get you off to a bad start here today, because Pac-Man is out without a doubt. Cool. I'm just going to leave the resistance or support level probably like right here for now, and I'm sure we'll make some adjustments as we go here today. Buys above. All right, buys above. Let's do range 2 buys above just so it makes sense for people. Cool. That is it, man. What up, Xander? What's good? What's good? How we feeling? What's up, DT Gamer? All right, Clubhouse. What's the deal? Gregski, it's good to see you, man. How was your holiday, bro? Did you have a good trip? What's up, traders next door? What's good? Back to the UK, eh? Back to the UK. Yo, what up, Spence? Good morning, my man. Hope you are well. Yeah, so the reason I don't want to take buys here is just because there's nothing to the left. So once we can create some bullish candles, you know, maybe they come up, and I'm gonna just draw a random line here, right? Maybe they come up to here, and then we kind of create that resistance, come back, and now we've got the clean range to the left. Does that make sense to you all? Please, if it doesn't, let's help you out. You know, let's get these questions answered. Let's take a look at this range here too, right? 77 pips. 77 pips. So if that range does form up here, then it's not a bad idea, right? We need to see the range form though, and then we can look for closures back below, because it is a 70, almost a 75 pip range coming down, but we got to get that range in there. Yeah, we got it. We need something that like pushes up, maybe close without a wick, right? Comes down, messes around here, creates a range, creates a new support, right? New support form. Like, so you guys know how sometimes, like, if we get this closure, then yeah, I like the buys, right? But then what'll happen sometimes is we'll get a closure, and some of you guys will be like, well, why aren't we buying, right? And it's because sometimes that closure is going to happen like right here. So at that point, we're too far up, right? We only have a couple pips at that point. So if we can get a closure that looks something like that, right, and then another closure that comes down back below, now I think these sells wouldn't be a bad idea, right? Because then you have a nice, at that point, probably like 60, you know, 65 pip range, and those are kind of like your sells moving down. So that's the only way I'm taking them from up there, is just we need that range here. Once we get this range, then we're golden. What up, Sai? S-A-I? Is that how you say it? Sai? Sai? See, like, I don't want the fake out here. Although I see what happened last time, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Trust me. Yes, I like that. Remember, our hard work is stillness, not the clicking of the button. Yep. Good look. Good look, Lewis. What up, Diogo? Took buys earlier today. Nice, man. Yeah, buys are the vibe here today. There he is. Travis in the house. Top of the morning, mate. Top of the morning, mate. I'm picking up them 2 AKs. No, not AKs. ARs. Is that today or tomorrow? I think that's tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow. I'm hyped, bro. Gonna shoot them on Saturday, too. Gonna shoot them on Saturday with some of the TTE gang. Hell yeah. Who's coming to the meetup? We are doing the Time to Eat meetup here, man. Friday. Yeah, man. Friday. 5 days from now. Excited to meet you guys there. I know a bunch of you guys are coming, driving in, flying in. So super pumped. We're gonna do go to the shooting range on Saturday as well. For those of you guys that are gonna be in town still, you guys are more than welcome to come. It was gonna either be like shooting range or golf, but yeah, I'd rather do shooting range. Golf, man, we got things to do. We got things to do. You can't be golfing when you got a bunch of things to do. No stream Friday? Yeah. Stream on Friday. Yep. Live stream on Friday. Yeah, the meetup on Friday isn't gonna be until later in the afternoon, around like 4:30, and then we'll just hang out, you know, throughout the night. Coming to Tampa during Christmas? Oh, nice, Eric. Let me know, man. Let me know. We'll grab a steak. AB Mike in the building. What up, AB Mike? What up, Willie? Willie in the house. Why do I have a top line at 2760 with nothing to the left? Just because that's the area where I want. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm sorry. Yeah, that shouldn't be there. I was just using an example earlier before. Yeah, my bad. Oh yeah. 'Twas a random line. Thank you, Cannon. What up, Pat? How are you, man? Happy Monday. Don't worry, Alexandros. We'll be in Greece, man. Yes, sir. Diogo, I don't think there is any right now. No, I don't think so. I think there was just that one that first week, and that was it. AB Mike was good. How was your weekend, bro? Oh snap, Ecom Dre's here. There he is. All the heavy hitters are out today, man. Damn. Alright, on a Monday? On a Monday, alright. The big dogs are here. What's up, Mr. Smith? Pink, pink, pink. Mr. You ever seen that movie, Mr. and Mrs. Smith? That was wild. Magnus, how we feeling, bro? Yeah, the security has arrived. I'm bringing Ecom Dre with me everywhere he goes, man. He don't even know. He don't even know it. He don't even know it. Ecom Dre, you better move to Tampa. I think Tampa's a better career path for you. I don't know, man. What's up, Nikki? What's up, Jackie? What up, Ali? Ali. Is it Ali or Ali? One or two. Ali or Ali? Sebastian in the house. What's up, Daniel? Missed you guys too. Yeah, we'll do a NAS breakdown here as well. Let's do some. We may actually start to trade NQ a little bit more now that gold is just wheeling and dealing here. I think that's I think that could be our sign. What do you think? Remember, everything happens for us. What do you think? Maybe gold is in all-time highs, so we get some encouragement on trading the Nasdaq. I don't know. All right, let's take a look here. So we got the daily time frame, which did close bullish Friday, right? Keep in mind, we had this Thursday closure, which was super weird, right? Super awkward. It was more of like a rejection wick than a wick to fill. And notice how we actually never filled that wick, right? So what I'm thinking is there could potentially be some sort of a fake out trying to go down here, right? But we got to see if we break those lows, right? Some of you guys would call this like the head and shoulder, right? Entry at the break of the neckline. Profits coming all the way down into here, right? Yeah. So that's probably what could happen here on the Nasdaq. We'll see. Daily time frame is kind of, still respect and support here. So obviously we got to make sure we close below there, and then if we do, then you got very clean range coming down on the daily time frame. But all in all, I am bullish currently because we have not broken the lows yet. And we have already kind of, we closed bullish there on Friday. So this candle right now could respect that low down there, start to make its way up, break that high, and then continue to fly up to retest that resistance right there. So let's see. I am bullish, right? But I am open for sells here as well. Let's take a look at what the 4 hour looks like. So 4 hour is now coming down into this zone here. I would probably even more so use probably this zone right there. See how all of them tapped it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how they all tapped into that zone? So there's something here, right? There's something invisible that we can't see. So I wouldn't even really stress the closure below here because you may get a fake out, right, on the 4 hour time frame. So something like this, right? And if we look left, I mean that could potentially be the case, right? Boom, 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 fake outs everywhere, right? Even fake outs to the downside, right, in this overall zone here, right? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? So we'll see what happens there. If how this 4 hour closes here, it's still got half of the candle left on it, so 2 hours left. Let's go take a look. Oh, what do you know? 1 hour here closing with no bottom wick. So 1 hour closure with no bottom wick right at this resistance level. I think if you can plant some kind of supports at this point, maybe a fake out on the 30 or a 1 hour support, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, the 1 hour is going to close here in 28 seconds. So yeah, there may be an opportunity for like an impulse entry on the break of those highs. You want to see the 30 closure back above though. So, and then worst case, you wait for a closure above this area here. Bam, closure above, boom, closure above, boom, and then we go from there. But I think at the minimum you need the 30 closing above here, which it will not do. No. Okay, cool. So yeah, I would just wait here and then wait for a new closure above, and then there could potentially be the opportunity for this 4 hour candle to reject. So you don't want to take your buys too quick because you still got this wick to fill right here, right? And all that good stuff. Although the 1 hour closed, or not 1 hour, the previous 1 hour closed with no wick, this could still move down super easily, right? There's still extremely clean traffic to the left coming down here, and yeah. So that's what I would be looking for. Potential buys above there. If you like the sells and they're your sells, take them. If not, you wait for the 15 closure, either above or below. and now you're good. I like buys. I like buys. Yeah, but you need to close your back above. You got super clean range here. Super duper clean range. So yeah, so those are my thoughts on the Nasdaq here. Keep in mind the daily still is bullish, right? So if we're gonna fake out, it's gonna be somewhere around this low here, and it could very well be right there, just like we've seen the last couple 4-hour candles. Come into that zone, fake out. Every time we kind of move in this zone, we kind of tend to push up there. So we'll see. We shall see. Yeah, 15-minute looks good though, especially as we bounce around NY Open, high volume times here. I don't really like the sells, but I do like the buys. Cool. Sweet. Lazy Panda in the house. What's up, Lazy Panda? In the clubby, eh? Lazy Panda in the clubhouse. All right, I like it. Hey, how many of you guys enjoyed the webinar this past weekend? I think we hit some good points. Is Colin coming on tomorrow? Yes, gang. I got my buddy Colin Yerkison coming on tomorrow. It should be pretty awesome. He's one of my friends who I highly look up to. I get a lot of crypto advice from Colin. And he is just, I mean, when you talk about guys on another level, I'm not even talking about finances. I'm talking about mentality, mindset, activity. I mean, this guy, you want to hear from this dude. But he's going to be coming in tomorrow. He's going to share a little bit of information. We got some big ballers in the chat, and he's gonna kind of come on and tell you a little bit about his Bitcoin mining company. So for those of you guys, I know we have a bunch of high-level entrepreneurs that come in and out here, and if you guys are looking to get started with Bitcoin mining and also have like a potential like 5-6 figure tax write-off this year in your business with opening the mining, yes, I highly recommend you do it, because this kid is one of the best of the best. So yeah, he'll come on tomorrow. He'll explain more about what he's got going on with the mining and how you can, participate. And then for those who do, we'll make time to get together with Colin. Yeah. Whole notebook page full of notes from the webinar. I love that. Yeah, you guys do not want to miss tomorrow. Like, not only is he going to share about the Bitcoin mining stuff, but you just want to be around this type of guy. This dude's like 27 years old. I'm talking like $300,000-$400,000 a month type of business going for him. Not even including his crypto. He's been deep into crypto since the first bull run, and he's got some insane stories because he did not sell any of his Bitcoin. So when we went up and we hit the bull run in the top and it dropped, he held that entire time. So he didn't sell any crypto. I think his portfolio went from like 4 million to like less than 500,000. Yeah, something like that. It was wild. So he held through that whole time. So I'm sure he's got some war stories and yeah. But yeah, he'll be here tomorrow. I would say around like 10 a.m. We got like 10 giveaways for tomorrow. So we'll probably do those after Colin dips out, like a little bit towards the tail end of the stream. And yeah, all in all, I hope it works out for you guys. I've trusted Colin with a lot of crypto decisions, and he's been on the money. He really has been. And his team, they have a whole team that do a lot of stuff, but he's not really here to talk about that tomorrow. It's more so the mining stuff that could help you guys, especially some of you high-level entrepreneurs. I told him, hey, bro, you can tell the squad about like your whole like, because he has this program called the Blue Market Blueprint, where he has a whole team. His partner's been in crypto since he was like 16 years old. Kid's like 21 now, multi gazillionaire. And they help people out with crypto investments, you know. So like, I'm like, yeah, you could tell everyone about that too. He's like, no, it's all right, bro. I think we'll just focus. So he's like, just a good-hearted guy, you know what I mean? Where it's like, other people would jump all over that opportunity. Oh yeah. What else can I sell? What else can I tell him to? You know. So I really like Colin. He's a genuine kid and grew up from a nice family. Yeah. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. Yeah, a lot of you guys I know, you know, especially some of you guys that come into the elite program, you guys are, you know, quote unquote, some big ballers, right? So figured I'd put the word out there and see if you guys are interested in it. Colin is like 27, maybe 28. Yeah, he's younger than me. Trading gold or NAS? Neither right now, but maybe a little bit of both. I don't know. Possibly a little bit of both, depending on what throws an opportunity. Yeah, so 30 closure back in the range. You guys know I'm not interested in these sells here. So I'm just gonna ride this out. Is he going to be on the New York session? Yes. Yeah. We're probably going to have him come around 10 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. Like 10 a.m. Eastern. So a little bit, yeah, you guys know. 10 a.m. 2 hours from now. Mr. M in the building. What's goody? A bit of a pullback here, yeah. Yeah, nice little pullback coming down, like even like down here, right? Wouldn't be bad, because then we got that range coming back up now. So that's all I'm looking for is new range. See, like I wouldn't take a buy here, right? See this green candle here? So there's a lot of people that got executed on buys on the break of this high here. So I wouldn't do that, right? But you see how price came, bearish candle and then another bearish candle, right? And then if there was like a support form right there, then that's where I want to take my buys coming back up. Right, not at the high point. So yeah, it's like right there off of that 15 resistance, and now you know, hey, we got this range to trade now. So if we could form another range, right, that comes down and then we get support, then we could trade back up in that range. Look at that 1 hour. Just look at it. You really want to trade gold right now?
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Just look at it. Yes, sir. Oh, you're right. I did forget everyone. Let's hit him with everyone now. Everyone report to the dance floor. Thank you for that. I didn't realize that. It was Monday. I was hyped. I'm like, let me get the link out. Let's do this. Let's do it. Clubhouse, man. The Clubhouse made some funny music last week. I have to admit it. Chat, did you guys hear the song of John? I don't think you guys heard that one, right? Maybe I'll play it for you guys later. Maybe we'll play it when John gets back. Did we play that on the YouTube? Hey, Aaron. Aaron's on the way. Let's go. Oh, my man's traveling already. W, Aaron. So Aaron might not be here today. Yeah, I know you got a lot of you guys that are driving up too, right? What's up, Clay Way? Good morning, man. Good morning. Gold trying to burn someone. Yeah, I think so. Gold is, yeah, this 1 hour is lethal here, dude. I wouldn't touch this. I wouldn't touch this with your trading account. Never mind mine. Yeah. So if this 4 hour just wants to keep juicing, I mean, it is what it is. We'll have fun today and we'll watch it. Daily candles just on a whole nother vibe right now. Yeah, sells are very difficult too, for the most part. It's just very choppy. Yeah, for those of you guys in these sells, I'm telling you, I would not advise it. I would just chill. Yeah, I would really like to see a closure down here though. That'd be nice. So if you guys are in sales, I am hoping that we can maybe re-break the lows and even come down here. I mean, that would be great too, right? Form some sort of like support back down here on the 15-minute time frame. Retest at 30 lows. I mean, that would be good, but like I said, it's very difficult to take these sells. Very difficult. Stevie Mac, it's my pleasure, bro. Daniel. Damn, Daniel. That man's ruthless. He said early bird gets the worms anyway. What do we got here on Zoom today? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. What up, Andrew? What up, C. Melly? It's good, Zyper. Dominic's in the house. Already. Oh, Daniel's working already. Let's get it. What's up, Norbin? Can you make a meetup channel so we could talk about it? For example, I'm local. Yes, there is a. So there already is a meetup channel. Norbin. Yeah, just come over here. Right. Where is it? Right here. Meetups. Yeah, so come hang out and chat in here and stuff like that. If you guys are coming to the meetup here on Friday, don't forget to RSVP if possible. That way we can just get a head count and know that you're coming. That would be fantastic. Yeah. Yeah, but you guys can chat in that meetup channel. I'm thinking on the RSVP, did you guys put a Discord name in there? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if we put that there. Let me see. Oh, you guys can't speak on that one? Oh, okay, I got you. So that was only... Oh, yeah, of course. We're going to do that. I'm actually probably going to do something different. Probably create a little... Yeah. I'll tell TK to just make sure you guys can chat in there. Yeah, I forgot. We put it so that no one can talk. That's right. Yeah, just give me like an hour or so. Yeah, and that way what we could do also is we can add everyone in that's coming to the meetup in a private like just a chat. So that way once you guys do fly into Tampa or you guys pull up into Tampa, you can hang out, meet up, go get lunch, right? Cuz I probably won't be there till about 4:30 on Friday. So if you guys are flying in earlier than that, some of you guys are coming in the morning, some of you guys are driving up. So you guys are, we want to, again, the clubhouse and these meetups are designed to help one another network and, connect with other like-minded individuals. So if you guys want, go get a little boat or something, or go get some lunch, or, have some time to bond together if you guys are there early and stuff. Yeah, Tampa's full of excitement. See, Melly, I think, will be down there pretty early, right? Yeah, see, actually, see, Melly will be there a few days ahead of time. We got golf this week. We see Melly, big blessings. We're getting green out there. TK, we're getting TK out there. Hey, I'm excited to see Green swing that golf club a little bit. How about you guys? See Melly, you're gonna have to. I think we're gonna make see Melly golf with probably like a blindfold on or something. Hand tied behind his back. I don't know. We gotta figure something out. We gotta figure something out. Big blessings, you too, man. We're gonna make big blessings swing with righty clubs. Yeah, is big blessings here today? I think I've seen him in Zoom. Yeah, that man. We gotta get. Yeah, I think C Melly should hit lefty, and big blessings should hit righty, and then I'm down to put some money on it. Johnny Gems is here. Hold on, let me get Johnny Gems. The gemstone. Oh. No, John's not here yet. Johnny Gems ain't playing with us. Yeah, not on. Johnny Gems gonna be in the clubhouse that day. We gotta leave a little earlier, so probably gotta leave around like what time? See Melody? Maybe like 1 p.m. So Johnny Gems will be cruising in the clubhouse that day. All prop accounts. So I have a personal account that I trade in the futures market with Tradeovate. So I have that account, and then up here I have $550,000 combine accounts. Yeah, the XFA got flatlined there on, I think it was Thursday or something. Just hit the loss on it. So I should have realized that the trailing drawdown follows me, and I thought I had an extra 1,500 in the tank, but apparently not. So learned some really good lessons on that first combine. That was really my first combine ever, and yeah, decided to kind of just evaluate, find all the things I did really good, find what I didn't do good with, and just do it better, do it bigger, and went ahead and got like 5 combines, totaling 750,000 now. So we'll see if we can get funded on all these, and they're all hooked up to a copy trader. And yeah, so I'll be wise on this account because I've got experience. I've got experience on the combine now. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much focused on this now for the remainder of the year. Yeah. Green hitting the greens. Facts. Green is hitting the greens. That should be interesting. Good thing he's in like a cutting phase, dude. If he was like bulking, I don't know if he'd be able to swing that thing. Is there a giveaway? Yeah, we're gonna do like 10 giveaways tomorrow. So tomorrow we got like 10 25K challenge accounts to give away. Yeah, we'll give them away before the meetup. Two strokes a hole. That's actually pretty fair. Pretty fair. Maybe. I don't know. What's up, Dan? Peace and blessings, my man. Peace and blessings. What up, Jaguar? Hey, what's up, my man? Good stuff on that competition. Hey, next competition, the next few competitions, I should say, get ready. I don't think it's the next one, like the immediate one coming up, but the following competitions, we are planning to fly the winners out here to Florida and hit up a private jet, and every single time go to a little bit of a new location for each winner. So I hope you guys win, man. I hope you guys are hanging out on the jet and coming along for the ride. What copy trader? I use the one that Top Step has built in, their own copy trader. On average, how long does it take to pass accounts? I mean, I would say you want to give yourself like probably 2 months. 2 months. Trading good, respecting your plan. I think the last one I did it, I passed the combine in like 1 month. But yeah, I would say 2 months ish, you know, just stick to your plan. And yeah, he give away accounts. Yeah, we give away accounts. Come back tomorrow. We're gonna do a big giveaway tomorrow. He give away accounts, bro. Yeah, I think we've given away over like $5 million in challenge accounts. What's up, Green? There he is. Greenery. What up, B21? What's good? What's good? Do I risk more on the combine? And yeah, I do. Yeah, my big thing was I didn't realize that the drawdown, like I did, but I don't think I really kind of like just calculated and knew where I was at. So like if you start here, right, at like you get like negative 4,500, right, to play with. And then like as you go, right, so let's say this is 0, right, it's 0. And then like as you begin to move in profit, so like I think I was in like $1,500 of profit, that trailing drawdown kind of moves with you. So this kind of, instead of like 45, this turns to like 35, right? So careful. So anyone who gets into an XFA, just be careful with this, because if you track back a little bit, even though you don't hit the original drawdown here, right, then you're still going to get capped out there. So just keep in mind that as you move into profit, the drawdown thins, right? And like even if this was, so now let's say this is 4,500, you have 0 drawdown now. You go back to 0, you're done, right? So keep that in mind. That's the only little tricky thing with the XFAs and just things to know about. They're a little bit different from the forex style firms. And yeah, so if you didn't know that, now you know, and keep that in mind. Was life when I started trading? Yeah, I was working a full-time job. My wife was just got pregnant with our first child, Alea. And I was in network marketing before that. I had some really good years. I had some really struggling years. You know, I was on and off, not on and off, but up and down, I should say. I was always on, but up and down as an entrepreneur, you know, financially and stuff, just trying to build and getting setbacks and building and getting setbacks and, you know, going through the rough and, you know, the typical entrepreneur stuff. And I had left the network marketing business, just decided to kind of take a breather and look around and see if I could find a better route to my dream, right? And I looked at trading and I thought, you know what, maybe I'll give this a try. I don't have to deal with people. All I have to do is put the work in, learn the markets, and it's basically like the markets versus me. So I was willing to bet on myself there, and I had a job at the time. I also had some money saved up, and I was working my job for a little bit, and then all of a sudden I'm like, you know what? I'm going all in. I'm going all in. And I don't know if I would recommend this, but you know, I quit everything. I quit the jobs. I went all in on trading. I'd study the markets day and night. I'd trade every single New York session, and that was it. Eventually got funded, and the funded game really changed my life, because that allowed me to get like multiple like payouts of like 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, right? All of a sudden, just boom, boom, boom with like my forex funds, and that just took me to the next level and built confidence. And you know, I noticed that, hey, every time I follow the system, trading works for me. So that's what got me so disciplined in following my system. And then eventually I'm like, let's live stream. And yeah, that's where we started the live stream, and we never looked back. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I like that, George. Yeah, so this time when I do pass through my my XFA, I'm gonna literally just hang out on like a one contract, because now I'm running them through 5 accounts, right? So you know, 200 bucks a day, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, you know, 1,000. I'm cool with that. Yeah, I think I was just going bigger. And by the way, none of those trades were really bad trades. You know, I did a bit of a 2-week evaluation this weekend, and I didn't really mind any of the trades. I really didn't. I was a little discouraged because some of them we just got like tapped in. So we kind of, you know, low key maybe shouldn't even have been in some of those. And those are some ones that I really sized up on. So, you know, it is what it is. That's the price we pay here as traders, is sometimes, you know, you're going to have those little hiccups in your journey. So I think that was the first hiccup we really had since February, which is nice, which is really nice. On the previous combine, you had days where you placed like 20 trades a day. I thought you only traded during the live streams. Well, we have 3 live streams now. Well, really 4, right? So we have the YouTube, and then we have the afternoon stream in the clubhouse. Then we have the Asian session stream in the clubhouse, and then we have the London session stream in the clubhouse. So I've been trading all those. But when it says 20, it actually just means the contracts. So let's say I take out 5 contracts, that's going to count as 5 trades. Yeah, so that 20 was probably just 4 or 5 trades. How much did I have saved up when I quit? I think it was like maybe like 10,000. Yeah, and then I would just do little hustles, you know, to make money if I needed it. Like I was always hustling, you know. I'm always someone trying to make money every day. So even when I was doing that, I was still trying to figure little ways out to make money. Oh, you need a ride to the airport? Yeah, I got you. Whatever. Got burned on some sells, break of that 1 hour low. I get burnt every Monday. Hey man, that's why I was like, yo, don't do it. Don't do it. Yep, I know better. Yep. Remember earlier we were like, when I was saying I'm not touching these cells. I'm not even touching them with your account. Right? I wouldn't touch them with your account, I said. So that's the reason why. You know, I'm sure a lot of people are in cells here. Right, chat? Yeah, I hope you guys aren't still holding. Just let it go. Just stop out. You don't want to hold. You don't want to get in the way of this bull. Woo! Yes, sir, Magnus. Preach it, brother. In all things, whatever ye shall ask in prayer and believe, ye shall receive them. Ye of little faith. You guys don't even want to ask in prayer. Funding is a blessing. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. And you know, we dealt with a bit of a rough patch there towards like the end of last year with the funding companies and all that. Man, but before that they were really nice, and I think they're gaining their you know, status again. Yeah. Yeah. What are some rules? What are some rules that you wish funding companies would take away? Talk to me. So if you can go up and meet with a prop firm owner, whether it be in the forex space, whether it be in the funded space, and you can say, "Hey, Mr. Owner, this one rule is so dumb. What would it be?" I'm curious. Let's see here. Let's see. time to wait for payouts, spreads, profit targets. So what, you want to just Chala instant funded, or because I think that's the only way around that one. 5-minute rule, definitely. Payout time, okay. Take away the deadlines to past challenges. I think they've done that for the most part. Commissions, change the loss from 7 to 10. So remove the daily loss limit. So if you remove the daily loss limit, most likely it would have to be probably like a shorter. I would assume they would probably try and do like a shorter overall drawdown. Would you rather have remove the daily loss limit, and for instance, right? Let's say because I think Top Step did that, right? They removed the daily loss limit and they just keep a overall drawdown. Yeah, I think that's a good idea too, but you know, will it really help? A lot of times I think we tend to blame things on the max daily drawdown limit. Meanwhile, we would, no matter what the limit was, we would have maxed it out. Yeah, so but I agree. That would be a cool rule. Keeping trades for 5 minutes. Yeah, I think that's one of the stupidest rules in the book. Instant funding is the future. Yep. Keep the drawdown off the starting balance. So like, let's say like 100K. You can't do it off of like 95. Dope. Yeah, trust me, if we ever did one, that 5-minute rule would not be anywhere near it. Yeah, Top Step, yep. Days you have to wait for payouts. Yeah, honestly, I think 24 to 48 hours max. I don't mind waiting 2 days, right? If I know I got the withdrawal coming. But I mean, week, 10 days, that's just a little crazy. That's why we love Top One. Top One literally does that within I think like less than 20 minutes. They get it processed. No trading style rules. You trade whatever way you want. 100%. I agree. But keep the daily drawdown. Yeah, exactly. You gotta have something there to keep you in check as a trader. Yeah, that's true. I like what Top Step was doing, how they gave you like that daily warning. I think a daily warning would be pretty neat. Like, yo, look, you know, you're halfway to your daily drawdown right now. We don't want to see you blow this account, right? Alert, alert, just so you know. I think that's a good idea. And then the smart traders will look at that and be like, you know what? They're right. Let me just stop. But then the rest of you guys, which is probably like 98% of you, you guys are going to just X that out. Like, you guys ever put the limit on your social media apps? You don't even care about it. You just say cancel the limit. I'm in, you know what I mean? So like that's what most people would do with the drawdown stuff. Why do prop firms not use real money? So they probably don't trust traders. Number one, they're also collecting data. Maybe I don't even have to use the term if. Maybe I could probably start leaning towards the word when. We do start something like that. Our main goal would be to A-book traders. So we have big plans for the TT hedge fund in the future, right? But if we can begin to run it through a funding company where we can find the best of the best, right? And actually copy your trades. And I think that would be sick, right? And we give you guys an opportunity to really trade without much limitations. trade your style, and those who are good traders will obviously trade well and they'll win, right? And we will be paying attention to those winners. And for those who are seeing consistent results, like, we want to back you with our own money at some point. So that's when the money does become live. And like, yeah, we could say, yeah, you got a $150,000 account, but you know, at the end of the day, we would just give you about $20 or $4,500 drawdown, right? $5,000 drawdown, whatever it is. So yeah, we would be taking a risk on you as a trader. We'd be limiting that risk, right, to like $5,000, but that's the direction that we can see the brand going, right? Is as we move towards that hedge fund, to even eventually start off with some sort of a funded program. Yeah, but I want to get rid of a lot of the rules that we don't like, right? I want to get rid of a lot of the rules that like we as traders just don't jive with. They just don't make sense. They're not for us. They don't help. So that's why I was trying to get a read on what you guys think. Prop firms don't need profitable traders. Heck no. No, they don't. Prop firms, but if they want to A-book traders and like actually build something long term with like profitable traders, which I want to do, then I would love to find the best of the best, and then I'll have my own like $250,000, $300,000 account that anyone that we A-book will be able to trade in the live markets using, you know, that account right there, right? So I think that'll be super dope. You make 10 grand, we make 10 grand, and we get 20% of your 10 grand. How you doing? So you want profitable traders, right? If you're gonna do this thing the right way, like Chala, if you're a profitable trader, I allow you to tap into my 300,000, right? Sure, I only give you 5 grand. If you blow that 5 grand, we got to take you off the A book, right? But if you make 10 grand that month, guess what? So do I, right? And I get 20% of your 10 grand, right? So it's in my best interest to find extremely profitable traders, because not only are you multiplying my money, but I'm also able to get a percentage, right, off of the profits. And I'd much rather do it that way. Is the company going to make money off of combine sales and all that? Oh, you bet, right? But the main goal is, hey, can we find good traders that we can begin to invest in? And this is like a sifting process in a way. So I'm talking too much. Those are future plans potentially, but there's a lot of really good things in store for the cream of the crop out here at TTE. Can you see it? Can you see it? How long do I plan on having the live stream in the clubhouse? For decades. For decades. I could see Maverick hopping in the driver's seat one day, just running the clubhouse. I know, word Z Gamer. I don't know why they don't do that. I mean, that would be my goal, right? Because if I can find 10 or 15 really stud at traders, I mean, you can shut the prop firm down at that point and now begin to build the hedge fund. So those are my goals. But you know, you have to eat how you eat an elephant, one bite at a time. You know, so we just gotta munch one bite at a time. Eat. Whoa, that's insane. So my whole thought is that I was living a lie my whole life. I started to feel anger for it. I used to use it as fuel. Nice. Nick streams have held a lot. Okay. Lastly, some marks on me. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's true, Norbin. Good stuff, Magnus. Yeah. End of the day, trailing drawdown, credibility. If you hit your daily loss limit drawdown, it will close your account. Oh, okay. Had to wait 2 months for a payout. Whoa, who was that with? Johnny Gems in the house. Where's John? Why don't I see him? There he is. Johnny Gems, I didn't realize you were here. G. There he is.
What's good, G?
How's you doing?
What's good? Good morning.
Good morning, bro.
Happy Monday.
How you feeling?
Feeling amazing, brother.
How you doing?
New week, new
How you
opportunity.
feeling? Facts.
Let's get to work. Let's get to work, bro. The seed's not gonna grow unless we work it, so let's get working.
Let's get to work. And what up,
What's up,
Scott?
chat?
Let's get to
Scotty
work.
boy.
And
Chat, what's good? I'm blessed to be here. New week, new opportunity. We know the vibes, right? Let's go, Nick. We on to something, bro.
yes, we are. Any reviews on GOAT funding? I don't think I've ever heard of them.
Oh, funding? Nah, I never heard of them.
PETA don't like this type of talk. Who's PETA? Who the heck's PETA?
Yeah, the funding company, it sounded good, though. It sounded real good.
Yeah.
Yeah, Goat Funding does sound like a dope name.
It does. GOAT funding.
What's up, Jay Coop?
What would be a name that
Daniel.
we could use?
TT funding, the best funding. I don't know. Goat funding.
Time to funding.
Time to fund. I don't know. Time to eat funding.
Time to funding. I feel like
Fund your freedom.
I feel like time to eat might like steer other traders like, well, you know, I don't really watch the time to eat streams. Maybe I'll just, you know what I mean? Well,
Yeah.
we may need like a more general.
We need a name separated from time to
But
eat.
we need we want to keep it, you know. Keep it
Like
there.
you know we're TT when you listen to like podcasts, you know, and stuff like that, but you know us originally like as this funding company to those new people.
Yeah, I would love to like fly people out that get like good payouts and just like interview you guys and like have like some sort of podcast
Yes,
running
bro.
on the
Yes.
TTE YouTube channel. I'm gonna be dropping so much more content over the next 3 months on the channel outside of the live streams. Just gems, like just videos, vlogs, you know, day in the life type of stuff. More and more and more little data points or data sets, like Luke calls them. And then adding a podcast would be cool.
Like the Funded Trader, bro. I used to love their pods.
Yeah, they're
And they were
pods are
so
dope.
educational.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Fly the traders out who make some payouts and just interview them.
Yeah.
Pick their brain.
Would you consider sells under 27.49, which is going to be right here? Yeah, now that we have that support there could be some opportunity there for us. I think it looks pretty clean on the 15 as well here. Yeah, so
Well, just looking amazing, bro.
So yeah, this candle here, it had no wick at the bottom or anything, and I was really waiting for a 30 support, but it just kind of closed all the way up there.
Hopefully no one's been trading gold right now. Hopefully you've been buying. Yeah.
Yeah, the 1 hour is just absolutely chalked. Look at that.
Everything is, bro. The 4 hour looks disgusting. So is the daily. It's just, I want to throw up.
He wants to barf.
I want to throw up, chat, looking at this.
Time to funding. Spirit funding. Oh. Yo, what's up, YOLO trader? A+ funding.
YOLO?
Playbook funding. What up, Zebs? Just close your eyes and buy.
Morning,
Yeah,
Zebs.
good piece of advice.
Yeah, and I know you guys were talking about like the drawdown, the trailing drawdown with Top Step. And I think one of the best things you could do too, especially as you start to get closer to hitting, you know, the max drawdown, is just size down. Like the more you size down, the better, I think. Personally, the more you size down and drawdown, the better, I think. Because who cares, bro? Like, who cares if it takes you a week or two or even a month to get out of that drawdown? That's better than blowing the account, right? Because if you think about it, if you blow it, it's going to take you probably about a month or so anyways to get funded. So who cares, right? How long it takes you to get out of that drawdown. What matters most is like you're maintaining the account, you're getting the profits back. I personally think that's better than blowing your account. So yeah, just sizing down. The steeper the account goes into drawdown, just keep sizing down. I'll take a red month for I'll take 1 or 2 red months for 10 or 8 green months. No worries. Yeah, Chala, good work, bro. I seen that. I thought it was really good. I would say just execute a little bit more, right? If you execute more, you'll the numbers will play out more in your favor, right? Because you have a system where the odds are in your favor. So yeah, I mean, everything looks great. I would say execute more. Execute, and I should say execute more on edge, on your trading edge. Yeah. Yeah, George, but once you're funded, there is no more monthly fee. So you would actually be paying more for being in the combine versus just getting out of drawdown on your XFA, because there is no more trailing drawdown on the XFA. Yeah, I mean, well, because funding, you're gonna have to, if you blow the account, I mean, even if you're aggressive, it'll probably still take you, I would say, a month or so, maybe 2 weeks to get funded. But like even for your personal account, right? I'd rather take a month or so to get out of drawdown than blow all my capital. And same for my XFA, because I want to maintain that XFA, you know, because it's now live and I can actually make, you know, actual money on that. So why not keep it, right? I think the longer you can keep an XFA, I think the better. I think that's a flex as a trader. Yeah, George. Yeah, I'm talking about the XFA. Yeah, I think you could be aggressive with the combine. What's up, Eric? What's up, my man? Morning, Shelly. Yeah. Oh, amen, Scott. Amen. My worst month so far, negative 20%. Hey, no worries. 10 days left, we ending this up. I love your mindset. Yeah, your mindset will get you there, bro. Change your thoughts, you change your life. So, hell yeah, when you believe you can get out of a 20% drawdown, you will. When you don't believe it, you won't. Right? The answer to your problem is found within your thoughts, I think. What's up, Magnus? Yeah, Zyper, bro. It's been the best playing here on gold. Just close your eyes and press buy. One hour looks like a kid's drawing. Yeah. What's up, Hassan? Yeah, facts, dude. It really does. That looks like my nephew's drawing. Yeah. Yeah, that 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily are not looking the best. I woke up, opened my daily chart, and I'm like, oh, all right. Just chilling here at all-time highs. Nothing new. I mean, I look at it as like, yeah, all right, bet, like, I guess for this time being, I'm gonna get really good at trading at the all-time highs. I mean, that's how I look at it. Like, all right, let me just take this as an opportunity to be a great trader while we're at all-time highs, or be a great trader when the conditions are not the best, right? I look at everything as like an opportunity. Yeah, Spence, I agree with that. Rather have this than like barcodes. Yeah, it's better than consolidation, right? Because we could just trade the retest, right, of the trend. So, yeah. Yo, what's up, Z Gamer? Good morning, bro.
Z Gamer. I'm just hyped for London session this week.
Yeah. That's funny.
Yo,
Same,
London's a vibe, man. Damn.
I haven't missed one, bro, since the clubhouse opened, bro. That's how much of a vibe it is.
Facts.
Where I'm like, yeah, I can't miss that.
Word.
About to cut Asian off, bro, and just trade London and New York.
Mans don't like the New Yorkers no more. Nah, I'm tweaking my schedule a little bit this week so that way the New York stream doesn't have to start a little later. You know, the live stream starting a little later, not because of any other reasons outside of me trying to get a nap. So I'm gonna fix my schedule up a little bit better this week and, you know, be good to go.
Yeah, chat, I'm sorry too. If you guys been seeing me pull up at like 9 or 10 a.m., like very late, like after the session even happens, right? It's only because I've been trading London, so I haven't been getting sleep. So that's when I've been sleeping. But my bad, I'm trying to fix that as well.
We get a little sleep.
I am fixing that. Sorry. What'd you say?
We get a little sleep.
Try to.
To be honest, I can't sleep, man. I can't sleep too much. There's just too much going on. I just need a little bit of rest and I'm good. But that little bit of rest sometimes happens between like 5 a.m. and like 7 a.m. So that's why you see me a little bit behind. Like Andrew Tate tweeted a couple days ago, he said, anyone who's not a loser understands that relaxing is the most stressful thing you can possibly do. Losers love doing nothing because they have nothing going on. The only relaxation for a boss is getting work done. Holy.
Damn.
Holy.
Sheesh, bro.
We got work to do. There's lives that need to be impacted all over the world, and we can't stop.
Bro, for real. Hell yeah, bro. When you really don't really like rely on sleep, like you see the potential like for how much there is you could do and how much you can get done. So we really don't have much time for sleep, honestly, if you're trying to be really great and stuff.
You have
Relax when the job is done, word.
Let me share something with you all. You guys have 86,400 seconds in a day, 1,440 minutes to get to spend however we choose, right? Check this out, right? Hour by hour, minute by minute, these small units of time are often filled with little things that don't really matter much, right? But this is how this is our life, right? Check a look at this. Where is it? All right. Average for the average, right? They'll spend 28 years. Let's just say they live to about 80. 28 years will be spent sleeping. Wow, and 7 of those years are spent lying awake at night with worry. Whoa. The average factor in the average 11 years watching television and surfing on the internet, 10.5 years working, 4 years driving, the years spent eating, getting dressed, and doing mundane tasks, and it leaves about approximately 8 years to live your life. If you were told right now that you only had 8 years to live this life, would you have a sense of urgency? Would you do things differently? Would you make a little bit better decisions?
Oh yeah.
Right? Would you value things a little bit more? Would you stop acting like a sissy, for crying out loud, and stop whining like a Quaker and actually get to work? Right? So let's get to work, gang.
Stop being the victim. Yeah, facts.
TK's in the building. TK's working. I'll tell you that.
What's up,
that
TK?
Boy working.
You guys think TK sleeps? No shot.
This guy's a machine. He only sleeps when he needs to.
And you really don't need sleep to like fulfill your needs when purpose fulfills you, right? Like, do you need to rely on sleep to be fulfilled if purpose does that? You know, like, so purpose gives me the energy that I need instead of sleep or rest, right? I don't need my like fuel or energy coming from sleep or rest. I need it from my purpose. That's what makes me not tired. That's what makes me not relaxed, but not tired, right? It makes me want to go after it and not need sleep. But yeah.
Now, some of you guys are going to stay up all night tonight. That's not what we're saying to do. Don't stare up and watch gold just juice up for the next 24 hours. Get your rest, get your sleep, but, you know, do it like a champion. Some of y'all gonna come back tomorrow. Haven't slept since yesterday. TTE, let's go.
Econ Dre's gonna pull up on the Zoom chat and his eyes are gonna be bloodshot red.
Some of y'all,
yeah.
Some of you guys trying to follow.
Sleep.
Yo, some of you guys trying to follow me into every session, and then next thing you know, you're gone for a couple days. That's it. I'm trading every session with Nick tonight. Asian, London, New York. This guy will not outwork me. 2 days later.
Yeah, bro. And there's traders. I see traders in the chat who've been trading every session, almost at least.
Facts.
Like big W's for those. Those are the big dogs.
Yeah, there are some.
Sure. It's not easy.
It's not.
What's up, Ecom Dre? Yeah.
Damn, 8 hours a day? Sheesh, man. I don't even want to sleep 8 hours a day. I don't even want to.
And I've like experimented it. Like the more sleep I've got, like the more tired I've actually became. Like versus the less sleep I got, the less tired I am. So I don't know. You know, I don't know how to think about it.
Yeah, you still need sleep. Know your body. I'm not.
Of course, yeah.
One announcement. I am not a physician. Do not listen to me on any sleeping advice or any advice at all whatsoever. Anything I spit out can be completely random and dangerous to you and your environment. We do not recommend that you do these things at home.
Yeah, facts.
Disclaimer.
Yeah, be careful where you're getting your advice from. I'm only 19. I could be wrong about all of it. So
Hey, we could be wrong about everything we say up here.
yeah, bro, for real. What I don't trust us, test us. All right. I don't know.
Like 6 hours. Yeah, I'm pretty, to be honest, I'm pretty good. I think 4 hours and I'm good to go like the whole day. So
Right.
like, yeah, probably like 4 hours and I'm straight. 5 hours, definitely.
I could also balance it out too. Like, all right, I'll get 3 hours on the weekdays, right? And then I'll get like 8 or whatever, or like 6 on the weekends, or like something like that. You know, balance it out too throughout the week.
Yeah, and by the way, I'd probably get more sleep if I didn't have 3 kids under the age of 3 years old, all, you know, clinging for my attention, right? When I am, you know, not here. So John's in a better situation, I think. Well, not a better, but in a different situation, because he could just take a nap whenever the heck he wants and do whatever he feels, right? But it's an honor. He'll do the same thing when he has kids. Yeah, you know, like most of you guys, like I would think like the average guy comes home and feels like he just worked a freaking 12-hour day. And don't get me wrong, I know homie's tired, but your job doesn't finish when you walk in the door. It just begins, especially if you have little kids. You know, they can't see you tired and weak and weary, right? You know, you're Superman to those kids. So Goldie, 9 o'clock here, 9 a.m.
What a spot to be at right now on gold. Damn.
Do I get up with an alarm? Yeah. There was a point where I wasn't using an alarm at all. But now, you know, I don't want you guys waiting on me if I oversleep. So I gotta use the alarm right now. Phone on airplane mode, you know, all throughout the night. You know the vibe.
Yeah, I sleep with an alarm as well.
Jamil. Hey, oh, by the way, gang, I got our championship belt yesterday from Clay. So I met up with Clay from Top One and Austin. We went over to Austin's house for like the day yesterday. Watched some. We had a workout in. We hit the Austin has a sauna in the crib, which is really nice. I think I need a sauna in my crib. Yeah, I think it's about time. And yeah, we hung out for a bit, but I grabbed the belt. So we took home the championship in the first competition. I believe there's another community that's going to join the competition on the next round. So let's continue to play our A game, man. We got the belt. Yeah, I'll go get it in a little bit. I think it's in the living room.
That's awesome, bro. How long were you guys in the sauna for?
Dude, a while. So we were in the sauna, right? And then we jumped in the pool. And then back in the sauna, back in the pool, and back in the sauna. Yeah, it was sick.
That's
and it was
fire.
like hot, cold, because the pool was kind of cold now.
Damn, bro. And he has the gym, right, Austin?
Yeah, and you got a little built-in gym. So
Damn,
we hit a workout and then hit the sauna pool, and then just chilled out. Had some barbecue food, and then I dipped. Grabbed the belt,
nice, bro.
and dipped.
What were they barbecuing?
We had ribs, we had brisket, we had there was pulled pork, you know, all that stuff.
Sounds great.
The whole 9, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How was Austin feeling when he yeah. You know Austin loves to win. You know he loves to win, so
He was probably upset.
we took the W home. I think he was alright.
He got over it last week.
Yeah. It's gonna, yeah, gold. I don't know what gold's doing. Holy. Who's in? Hey, who's in gold?
I hope gold could just pull back here. That would be great, especially for the clubhouse.
I was gonna come out to a Stone Cold Steve Austin theme song, but after what happened on Thursday, I'm never doing that again. I will not do that again.
I forgot what happened.
Me too. Did I hear ribs? Yes, you did. Maybe not the ribs that you're thinking of, but they were pretty good. Clay said they were good. You know, Clay's from Nashville too, the home of barbecue. So I think it was.
Could be lying.
Could have just been trying to make us feel good.
Yeah. How'd you think they were good?
I thought they were great.
I would.
Austin Silver will be at the meetup as well. I think a couple ASFX guys will be there on Friday. So if you guys have ever wanted to meet Austin from ASFX, Friday's the day. Friday's the day. Yeah. Austin Silva.
Forgot we got that this week. Let's go. So
some of you guys know Austin from ASFX. Massive podcast. 150 episodes. I am on 2 of those episodes, which is nice. But yeah. So Austin will be there. A couple guys from ASFX will be there. And it's going to be a great time. Did I take any trades today? Nope. No trades for me today. Yeah, if you guys are coming and you guys are driving in and stuff and you do have kids, feel free to bring your kids. You know, I'll have my kids out there. I think there'll be some kids. So feel free to bring your little ones if you got them. Did they take the stream down? Which one? Oh, no. No, everything's still up. I should put the belt up right here, yo. Facts. Yeah, I think maybe I'll do that. What should we do with gold?
In the background.
Look. If this is gold, right? Let me just see something. So if this pen right here is gold, right? What you want to do is you want to just put it down and then just leave it there. Just don't touch it. Just sit it right there and then just walk away. And then once gold prints a much better market structure, we'll go pick gold back up again. Other than that, I wouldn't even touch it.
So just be patient.
What up, Cody? Memphis. Yeah, that's where Clay's from. Did I say something else?
Said Nashville.
Oh, but yeah, I think it's Memphis. I forgot. It's either Nashville or Memphis, one of them.
Yeah. Yo, Nick, you gonna wear the belt to the meetup?
Yeah. Should I?
One of us should, bro.
Should I wear it around my waist or over my shoulder?
You should, bro. I don't know, Chad. What do you guys think? Shoulder would be pretty sick, right? Yeah. Facts, Yoga.
Says, nah, Wakanda.
Walk in there like you're Conor McGregor. Do a little Conor McGregor walk.
Do the McGregor shuffle.
Go up to Austin, walking like Conor McGregor with the belt on. And then I'll do the John Cena in Austin's face. Yeah.
Can't see me. Yeah, over the shoulder.
Yeah, come with the Stone Cold Theme Stone. Yeah.
I'm sorry, you wouldn't see me with it on my waist. I'm just not that kind of guy. You know what I mean? I'm an over the shoulder type of guy.
Good, bro. Good.
TK, I'll see you tomorrow, right? Think so.
TK, let's go, bro. Yo, Green, when are you coming in? So TK's coming in tomorrow, Nick?
We got all the top G's coming in.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get some steaks tomorrow then.
Holy, when y'all coming in? TK's in tomorrow. I think C Melly's in on tomorrow too, maybe? C Melly? 23rd, some golf.
And the meetup's on Friday. So we got some time.
Hey, my man Aaron's in the sky, right? My man Aaron's flying from Germany.
Savage. That's awesome.
Oh, Jai Trader's in Memphis right now? Ooh, pick up some barbecue. How you been, Jackie? Everything good? Good to see you. Good to see you.
What's up, Jackie?
That's gonna be me at the meetup. Or yeah, if you guys are in Florida here on Friday and you can make it to Tampa, we'll be gathering for a couple hours Friday evening. If you don't know yet. Louis G, come on, make it happen. Green heading to Tampa.
Louis
It's
G.
only right, Louis G. It's only right that you pull up.
My man Louis G. Yes, sir, bro. Please.
George VDM, you have no
For the boys.
excuse not to be there.
George and Magnus, if you two aren't there.
George and
nah.
Magnus have zero excuse, man. I'm totally expecting them to be there.
Yo, for real, bro. I don't want to hear any
Mandatory
excuses.
work meeting.
Yeah, word, bro. Yo, Louis G, maybe drive down, bro.
It's like he has to like drive across.
Nah, you
He almost has to like drive across.
I know. Louis, would you rather fly down or drive down? Should I put my 2 weeks in already? Word.
He's like, I already know I'm getting fired for this. You guys like that? I knew that. I think I lost about 3 or 4 jobs chasing my mentor around. I knew I was losing the job too, but I always went.
It was worth it in the long run, it looks like. But
It was 100% worth it. Oh yeah, you could always get another job. I mean, I think I was the man at just killing interviews. Like,
There's
I
so
left
many
your
jobs,
interview and
yeah.
you're like, we need that guy here. We don't want that guy. We need that guy. But I was always more committed to my dream than their dream, so they never liked it after a couple months, you know? So that's typically why I never lasted at these jobs.
and that's why your boss would be so quick to fire you, because he could just get another guy
Exactly.
to work.
I was replaceable.
And that was Nick. If you quit, if your boss fired you and then someone replaced you, like a week later, it was Nick. He crushed the interview.
Sheesh. Who's trading gold off the 5-minute today? How you doing? Oh, there's tons of opportunities here.
Damn, bro. Yeah, I might have to trade Nasdaq today.
He said, imagine your ex-boss is now on the YouTube live stream, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, how many jobs have you guys had? I've probably had upward towards, like, I don't know, 20? 20? 25? Who knows? Who knows at this point?
Yeah, I've had like 5 or 6.
Hey, boss, I'm
25 is crazy.
gonna need the weekend off. I got some things to do this weekend. I had to go down to like Maryland or something to ride out to a conference or something with my mentor. He'd be like, no, we can't do that. I'm like, all right, I quit. What?
Peace.
Yeah, that's it. I quit. Because it's either you fire me or either way I'm going. I wasn't asking you, boss. I was telling you. I said, hey, boss, I'm going to be taking the weekend off. He's like, sorry, we can't. I'm like, no, dude, I wasn't asking you. I was telling you I'm going to be taking the weekend off. Hey, I want to go to a job interview and do like the John.
Oh,
You
you're
should
fired.
do this. You guys ever seen like Step Brothers? We just go to the job interview and just mess with the guys. Like that's so much
Yes,
fun.
bro.
So much.
And then we
fun.
could post it.
Yeah. You like sit down in
We
the
should do
interview
that.
chair and you just kick your feet up on the guy's desk. So tell me why you think you guys deserve me here.
Yeah.
Who's down?
Bro, let's schedule an interview with McDonald's this week.
Hey, that's
Do
what
it.
you can do when you're a free man or a free woman walking, right? You could just do funny stuff like that. Just kick your feet up and just knock over his family portrait. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Nah, bro, I'm down to do that though.
So tell me, what's the pay looking like here?
First
No one-
question you ask him is how much is the pay?
Some of you guys are funny. You guys go to interview, you don't even ask about money.
Yo, word, bro.
I'm hired. Oh, really? How much they paying you?
Only 13 an hour.
I'm not sure. They didn't tell me. Oh, wow. That was smart.
I wanted
Me-
16, but they only gave me 13.
Nah, most people don't even bring up money in the interview. I would bring up money in every interview. So how much you guys pay me? What's the pay before we even go any further? How many of you guys did that? You guys got a job without even realizing how much they were going to pay you.
How does that even happen, man?
Kiss his
I
wife's
think
portrait.
that happens because you've been mastered.
Yeah. Just grab the guy's wife's portrait. Mwah! Look at this. This is a beautiful woman. This your life? This your wife, Jim? Mwah! What a beautiful lady. Oh, so how much you guys paying here? What's the deal?
Put your feet up on the table.
Working the same company for 14 years because of the schedule? Oh, nice. George G. Yeah, that ain't bad. Got a good schedule, good pay.
Yeah, George, you like it, bro? As long as you like it, man. That's all that matters.
You guys remember Ted? He's like, we like that. You're hired.
Oh, yeah, Ted.
We need someone like
He's like-
you in here.
That's hilarious.
Goldie. If you're tempted to trade gold, just look at the 5-minute.
If you're tempted to trade gold, just ask yourself, does my trading plan tell me to trade gold right now? And if it doesn't, then just don't trade it.
Yeah. What do you mean, how much are you going to get paid? That's the whole reason I'm here, bro. I'm here for 5 reasons, dude. Money, 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 and money. How much am I getting paid here?
Yeah.
5-minute got a almost perfect barcode strategy. Almost. For the last, since 8:55, if you ran our secret super duper barcode strategy that we only let loose in the clubhouse, you would have made money on gold today. All right, your guru don't do this type of stuff. Our system would have been right every single time for the last 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. We would have been hitting here.
5 minutes just
can't
looks
do this.
lovely.
Your other streamers can't do this. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. What do you think we're doing next here, chat? What do you think we're doing next? Come on.
So,
Learn the system. Oh, nice. W, George. Hey, not many people can say that. So not only does that speak volumes about you, right? That anyone even would want you there for 14 years, but that's awesome. Not many people can say, hey, I've been working here for 14 years now. You know, maybe in the last generation, or especially in the generation before that, but in this generation, man,
that's yeah.
I think people,
It's rare.
instead of 14 years, they have it's like 14 jobs in 1 year. Never mind one job in 14 years.
Right. Yeah, and you're trading too, George, so that's cool.
W.
It's nice as well. Some extra money. George, do you like just having trading in your job, or do you want to replace your job with your trading, or do you just want them both?
Yeah. It's always nice to plan your exit strategy. If you've been working there for 14 years, I'm sure you're at some point where you're trying to put together an exit, right?
Well, yeah, I only asked because I know you're here trading, so that's why I'm just asking, why are you trading?
Thank you, Lindrit. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, facts, bro.
Lindrit? Lindrit? It's actually a nice name, Lindrit.
Yeah, man, that's really, yeah, Lindrit, facts. That's really the difference between like the amateur traders and the pros, man. It's the pros got a trading plan that's based off of logic and backed up data that they can go off of, right? And that they're disciplined in following. So they're able to make, you know, consistent profits with that plan, thanks to that plan, versus the amateur trader who just shows up looking to gamble. Right? That's really the slight edge there.
Yeah. Lights fire in the building. W, elite member. Let's get it. Yeah, I was saying earlier, I had 2 jobs and I've been playing video games ever since. Love it, bro. Honestly,
Nice,
from the time I had my first one-on-one with Lights Fire, I thought he was like the coolest guy in the world. Like, how do you play video games for a living? That's just savage. That's just cool.
Yeah,
He's betting on
That
high
is
risk to feed his family.
Lights fire is beautiful, bro.
Dominic.
Yo, Juan, W, bro. Let's go. You got this, my man.
Dominic's like, you don't even know what I could do with a cardboard cutter. This dude's a trained
What can you do,
assassin
bro?
with a cardboard cutter. Wow, only had 2 weeks of working for others. W.
Nah, Lights fire. That's awesome, bro. That's a straight vibe. That's how you know you got your freedom with those 2 streams of income. So I like
Andy.
it.
Nice, man. Yeah, that's a high risker. We're day trader / pro Call of Duty player. Holy.
That's awesome. Yeah, Andy, that's sick.
Nice, George. I love it. Hey, gang, if you guys are not sub to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't liked the stream today, here's a friendly reminder to give the stream a like here today if you're enjoying your time. We are on the road to 100K. I think we could officially start the chant. We're almost halfway there. We got to dream big. 100K is in sight.
Yes, sir. Zyper, beautiful, bro.
We got to 40K in about 1 year. I think we can get to 102.
Yeah, lovely Lights fire, man. Whenever I get anytime I get sad or anything like that, or negative energy just comes over me, I always remember that one Bible verse, to bear all things with joy. And that really does help me, look for the good in everything and just try to be happy and joyful. But what you said is facts.
Oh man. The boss said go fix his car. Damn. Hey, by the way,
Man, what do you do?
go fix my car.
You're like, yo, am I getting paid for that?
I know you're a software engineer, but I've got some car issues. Get the hell out there and start working. Whoa! Let's see. Hey, yo, I'd be careful in that Fortnite game if I were you guys, gang. I really would. I really would. I just seen that you now have the option to sell your soul to the devil in Fortnite. Is that true?
I feel like I've seen something like that online.
That's chalked. Yep, so you can revive your friend's life, but you have to give away yours. I would destroy your games if you have Fortnite.
Yeah, it's a kid's game. Where Diogo?
Of course
crazy.
it is. That's why Jesus spoke so highly about you better stay away from these kids. South Africa in October next year. We have a church conference called Dream Week. 4 days on. Oh, nice. Hey, South Africa is in the plans, man. We've got some friends in South Africa. So, October of 2025, eh? Let me write it down. I'd love to be there. What up, Sam, man? There he is. Let's go.
Sam, man. Good morning.
Yo, elections coming up here, gang. U.S. elections coming up. They're coming.
And the gold dollar is at the worst.
Oh, baby, it's coming. AJ. The money printers are on, baby. The money printers are on. All right, so we are approaching 9:30 here. It would not surprise me if gold just juiced. The 4-hour candles are not showing any sign of slowing up. Yeah, I think a nice 4-hour closure below would be awesome. So on the futures chart here, this 4-hour candle doesn't close for another 30 minutes, right? So what if 9:30 drove us down and gave us a closure, right? It would be much easier to kind of look to take sells today, but man, it's a bad market condition to be in unless you're holding buys from last week. It's tough. Tough.
Yeah, Shelly, I mean, I would only close if we're hitting that like advantage point or that support, right? And I would only hold the trade if the market was willing to give me more. But besides that, you know, as long as you're trading the plan in the most logical way from a technical perspective, like that's all that matters most. So yeah.
So look, this candle could rip down right now, right? but at the same time, we're still above this zone, so it can rip up as well. So there's no, I have zero read on this, right? Zero read in which direction price is most likely to go in. So when you have zero read, what do? You just sit out. You just wait, right? Because maybe later on, even if this does sell off here, maybe a little bit later, around 10:30, 11:30, somewhere this afternoon, right? We can get something that looks like this and take a much better position here. Something like this, right? And then we have all that range to come back up in. So I'd much rather be sitting, waiting on a really good support versus take this sketchy sell right now. All right, Sam, man. See you later, bro. Have I taken any setups today? No, not yet. Thank you. Oh, you got your account? Side plus more? Let me get a side plus some more with that. Yeah, congrats. Congrats, man. Treat it well. All we ask is that you treat those accounts good. Make something out of yourself, right? With these accounts, build your confidence, build your system. You know, do something that your future self will thank you for. Don't just kind of try and hit a grand slam with them. Where's Sam? Sam's busy, man. I don't know. Sam's been busy during the day, and he came on a London session a couple days ago, maybe like 2 weeks ago. He was hanging out in London with us for a bit. I think he's more of a night owl these days, Sam.
NAS looks way better to trade right now than gold.
Let's take a look at NAS. Oh, nice. Yeah, we did move up nicely here. Well, that's what we wanted to see.
That 4 hours about to close on NAS.
Shee, look at that pullback.
Damn.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Who got in the buys? Yeah, who got in the buys? I wouldn't have gotten these buys because there's no bottom wick on the 1 hour. Yeah, I think the off the support was pretty good.
Get it, Travis. Beautiful. W.
Yeah, take your time with it, my friend.
Yo, beautiful trade. Traders next door. Lovely.
Nice. Yeah, that's money.
That looks like more familiar to gold to me. NAS, that candle gave you a nice bottom wick too.
Yeah, we'll look at NAS a lot more now, especially with gold being way up where it is.
Yeah.
I'll be interested. Kind of like we used to trade GJ, right? We would trade GJ a lot more when, like, gold has always been my main pair, but we would tend to trade GJ, right? Anytime gold was in those all-time highs.
Yeah, we'll look at NAS too later today as well.
Gonna stay out of GJ buys. Yeah, GJ. Who trades US 30? Anyone? What's the daily here today? Daily's still bullish. 4 hour trying to come up and create support, maybe. 1 hour already created support. 30 minute, yeah, 30 minute coming up to this range here. Let's see what happens. Damn, you guys still trade GJ? Holy. I didn't realize that. Look at this. Yeah, retest the highs right there on the money. On the money. Hey, Anna's mom's coming in this week. I think we got to hit her with the tell him to bring me my money. Yeah, we got to hit a prank. Is GJ still good for volume? To be honest, I haven't looked at GJ all year. So you'd have to ask one of these other guys that trade GJ. Who's GJ? Whoa. Yeah, you'd have to ask someone else. I haven't traded pound yen in about a year now. Well, actually like 10 months. We're going to hit it with the 20 signs at the airport. Hit it with some funny signs. How come I stopped? Oh man, it just naturally we just stopped. Yeah, I think we naturally just weren't taking as many trades anymore. Yeah, I think it just kind of naturally fell off. Pound yen wasn't the greatest. It hasn't been the greatest in the New York session, right? It's not the same pair it once was. So pretty much from March on, it's been only gold. It's been all goldy. One Nasdaq loss right there. That was it. Everything else been gold all year long. Look at all these gold trades. Gold, gold, gold. That's a beautiful scene right there. Just gold. Yeah. A lot of gold. This is my first full year of trading gold pretty much. Gold only. Yeah, I think just naturally just kind of like didn't perform as well as it used to. In the New York session, which at that time that was the only session I was trading, New York. So yeah, all goldie, man, all goldie. Oh yeah, so what happened with Nas here? 930 juice box. Wow, yep. Blast off.
Typical Nas.
So how's that daily looking now? Yup, daily coming back up. So this is what we talked about, right? And this is what we mean when we talk about higher time frame, lower time frame correlation. How are we able to anticipate all this, right? If you go back to the breakdown, we talked about Nasdaq faking out down here and beginning to push back up to move forward with the daily, and then continue up on the 4 hour. So it's all, once you begin to understand candlesticks and how they operate and how they work, the game really becomes very streamlined now in order to break down time frames, because you begin to understand what each time frame candle is supposed to be doing. And as you line that up, it just made perfect sense, right, for a support. And then you find these little clues to the left as well that support these ideas. So it's all about building that story up when you're doing your time frame analysis and really understanding candlesticks for what they are, and they will give you the clues. Like, they speak a language of their own. You just have to, understand it. Just got to learn to understand it. So we'll see what Nas wants to do here. Back to just watching Goldie. Up and down, up and down. Yeet. Look at this. Look at this. It's a masterpiece right here. Barcode strategy in full effect.
Yeah.
I think we only would have lost once there.
Curious to see how gold's gonna play out today, man. What are we gonna do? Imagine we just keep ripping.
Just rip it.
Sheesh.
What up, the Yeezer? How you feeling? Happy Monday. Hope you're well. Hope you had a good weekend. Goldie's in the straight line strategy right now. Hold on, let's take a look. Look at this. Goldie's just doing a straight line. Lovely. Just lovely.
Gold's legit just in one direction. It's the one direction
No pullback.
strategy.
The bull is loose. The bull is out.
Yeah, trade next door, bro. W, man. 80 pips? Come on. Stop playing. Of course, we could have got 800, right? But the fact that we got 80 pips at W, we're just trying to get a piece of the move, you know?
It's a piece of the pie.
Piece of the pie. Yeah, Travis, I feel like Eminem's been on that satanic vibe. Even his old music.
Well, you didn't hear him screaming for help back in like '98, talking about the witch. The witch, man. That was back
I didn't
in
hear
like
that.
1998.
Damn, dude. I seen that video too where he had a clone. Like, come on, bro. They're just showing you, like, yo, they got clones and stuff of these people. Like,
Phone?
it
He got
looks
a
so
phone?
real. It's crazy.
He's got a phone?
Huh? Bro, I had a clone.
He got a phone? They all got phones.
Yeah, they had a
All of
phone,
them.
bro. Sorry.
They all got phones. Multiple phones. Yeah.
Yeah, facts, Travis. Yup, exactly. Shelly. That's from Mockingbird, Shelly. I know what you're talking about.
BTC, yeah. Hey, I told the stream earlier, but tomorrow, gang, I'm gonna have my buddy Colin Yerkison coming in. He is an extremely intelligent individual when it comes to Bitcoin, crypto. He has a Bitcoin mining company, so all my big ballers out there that want to get started in crypto mining, save yourself like 5-6 figures in literally tax write-offs this year. Be here tomorrow. Colin will walk you through some of the mining stuff, and if you guys are interested, you guys can book a call with him and, you know, get everything settled in. But definitely don't miss it tomorrow. This kid has a wealth of knowledge, so he's gonna be pulling up around like 10 a.m. 10 a.m. ish. Yeah, we got 10 giveaway accounts to go to get rid of tomorrow as well. So maybe we'll do like 5 before he pulls up, and then we'll do like 5 after he pulls up. Alexandros, yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Struggling a little bit, but we were struggling a little here too, and struggling a little here, and struggling a little here, and struggling a little here, you know, so it just doesn't seem to phase gold right now. Just keeps on, although it keeps struggling, it just keeps moving. Hey, give me a sec, I'll be right back.
Yeah, Josh. Sorry, bro. I be forgetting. Yeah, I be forgetting. Yeah, Travis. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Who would have thought that making 400 to pass phase one would have been so much difficult for me from the past week on? Currently almost be on the count. Wow, man. Yeah, all good. Norbin, lessons, you know, a lot of lessons to be learned through those, you know, mistakes. But yeah, I think that's what happens when, you know, you're so focused on the money, or you're so focused on just like passing the account. You're like, all right, well, I don't need that much left, right? So let me just take a trade here. You know, let me try to force it instead of letting it happen gradually or naturally, right? I mean, that's why I think, like, yo, if you just focus on one good trade at a time, like, your account will grow. You'll pass your combine naturally, right? The key word here is naturally. But once you start forcing things, like, you know, I've had it happen in my journey, Nick, as well. Like, once you start forcing things to just pass the challenge, that's where the account starts to go negative, and it's just like an N-word spiral, you know. But yeah, no, man, good. It's good lessons, right? You got to look for those. You got to look for those. You know, the solutions within the problems. You know, there's always solutions within the problems.
Yeah. By the way,
Exactly, Max.
If you guys are, so I would say today, probably tomorrow as well, is they're probably going to be slower days in the markets, right? No news, there's no red folders coming out. Gold's at all-time highs, right? So over the course of the next 2 days, like, I'd love to help you guys the best I can. So if you guys want to prepare some questions for tomorrow's stream, let's kind of have like a little mini webinar, right, where we can kind of really, if there's ever been a time where you guys wanted to like just talk to me or have some opportunity to get coached, like, let's treat the next 2 days like that, because there will be potentially some just slow motion happening here. Yeah, no red folders, gold at all-time highs. So it'll be nice to have like a really solid stream of just straight education, questions being asked, right, around trading, really around anything, trading, business, entrepreneurship, whatever, you know. So if you guys have questions and you really want to get some things, be efficient in the next 2 days, bring some questions tomorrow and let's let them rip.
Yeah, Norbin, that's what I personally thought the problem was. What do you personally think the problem was? What do you think went wrong there?
JDZ, you're welcome, man. Congrats. Another funded Clubhouse member. W, bro.
Congrats, Josh. Let's go, bro. Let's get
Appreciate the talks in the Clubhouse. Yeah, man. Yeah, I love the talks in the Clubhouse.
Happy for you, my man. Only the beginning, bro. We're just getting started. Yup, exactly, Magnus. You know, that tends to happen when people are focused on the outcome and not the process. Yup, and what Mark Douglas say? He said, Mark Douglas said that the professional traders focus on the process of trading and the amateur traders focus on the outcome of trading. So what are you guys focusing on, right? After I heard Mark Douglas say that, after I listened to that and heard it, I asked myself, I'm like, what am I focusing on? Right, and then I changed my thoughts, my words, and my actions to align with where the direction I wanted. But yeah, not so facts.
Hey, by the way, chat, what was your biggest takeaway in like 1 or 2 words from this weekend's webinar? What was like your biggest takeaway?
Yeah, Zeb's no trades for me today yet. Nope.
Silver following gold. Yeet. The magic of visualizing. Nice, nice. Another one. Visualize, visualize, visualize. I think I need to be more patient. Pick specific times. Yep. How to journal effectively. Whoa. That one is life-changing. If you could see it in your mind, you can see it become true. Definitely. Nice. Oh, I forgot. No one else can see this chat but me. How to journal effectively. Yep, this is great. All 3 of these. I feel like I can actually picture my goals after I write them down now. Yep. Beautiful. We tend to, yeah, look, gang, this weekend we talked a lot about the spiritual realm of success. And actually the last 2 weekends in the clubhouse. So these are very important things. You know, most people only pay attention to the physical side of life, and they barely even pay attention to that. But you have to understand there's a spiritual side along with this, right? That, you know, if you can comprehend it, you can go to new levels. Let's just put it like that. Nice, nice. Oh, can't wait to watch it. Yep. JD's, yeah, it's up there now, I think. Bullet points you gave for journaling. Yeah, those are those. So that's what worked for me. I've been doing that for like since like 2020-ish. And that has been what worked for me, that format. So that's why I was like letting you guys know, because man, I look back, I have those notebooks stacked up in this big drawer over there, and everything I wrote in those early notebooks, I'm already living. Some of them I'm already past it. I already lived it and had fun with it, and I look back and I'm like, whoa, you know, those are the things that we were writing down there. So it's very interesting how that works. Whatever happens in the morning is filtered. Yep. That's the filter you got for the day. That's true. Did you guys like my little example? My example of me stepping in iced coffee in my Yeezys? Someone easily could have got frustrated there, right? Yeah, you're welcome, brother. You're welcome. How many trades should we realistically take a day? Depends. Like I'm big on when the playbook shows up to take it. But I would stick to 1 to 3 trades a day. I think that's more than enough. W. The beginning of last week I was down 2,600. As of today I'm only 900 in drawdown. W. Climbing out the hole. Let's get it.
Thanks for proving to others that it's actually possible to get out of drawdown if you just focus on trading the plan, right? One good trade at a time, you'll get out of drawdown in a matter of time, right? So that's the formula here. Just one good trade at a time that follows your plan.
Yep.
That's where people fail, right? Is they take their eyes and their mind off the process in drawdown and they put it on the outcome. They're like, yo, I'm negative 2,600 in drawdown. Like, they're thinking about that 2,600 in drawdown. Now they are thinking about the outcome and the money, right? So, hell yeah, man. It's a daily commitment, right? To stay focused on the process here, for sure.
Yes, sir. The power of the next best trade. Yep.
Right. Hell yeah. For real. The power of the next best trade is the key to multiplying and preserving your trading capital. That's how powerful it really is. Exactly, Ron. Yeah, hell yeah. Drawdown really does tell you who you are and how you can come out of it. Yep.
Hey, yo, Tradeify, man. You gotta have patience with us, bro. You got some patience, man. We just hit the weekend. Weekend vibes. Yeah, man, we got your email. Yeah, I think I emailed you back, or maybe I emailed Brett. I'm not sure. I emailed Brett or you. I'm not too sure. W. Close longs on Nas. Nice. Yeah. What a ride up on Nasdaq. The bigger you trade, the more emotions and ego. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, because I think most people forget when they put a trade on that if they're putting, you know, let's just use the example, I don't know, $50 a pip, right? They're failing to realize that that works both ways, right? $50 a pip up, $50 a pip down, aka if it goes in your direction, it will be 50. If it goes against your direction, it will be 50. And then once it goes against, they start quaking, right? So then they realize, man, I should never put that much size on it. And what are we going to do? Blah, blah, right? So keep that in mind. You know, keep in mind, most traders only look for the positive. The pros, they look at what they're risking, right? Okay. What if things went as worse as they could, what would happen here? So fix your eyes on risk, right? And make sure you're being responsible with it. Otherwise, you over leverage and you start getting emotional and start blaming YouTube people, and it gets wild, you know?
Yeah, facts, man, facts.
Yeah, Tradeify, you can't come in here and give 3. You gotta give everyone. You can't just randomly come here and give 3 away. That's like coming.
Yo, Tradeify.
It's like coming over to dinner, right? And just giving 3 people some ice cream. You put yourself in this one now, man.
Yo, Tradeify, can I get one, please?
Come on, man.
I figured I'd ask. Ask and you shall receive.
Everyone's here for dinner, but we only got 3 slices. Oh, good job, Yanosh. Since gold is in the all-time highs, he's gonna be doing some reviewing today. I like that. It's a good idea.
Nice, bro.
Hey, yo, C. Melly jumped on that quick. He jumped on that thing fast. That boy fast. He said, TT1.
W.
Oh yeah, JD's. That's a good idea. I think we should do more of like a money thing. Taxes, I'm not the best on. You know, like I don't really know how to explain that too well. I would just say pay them or hire an accountant. But we could talk about some money stuff and things of that nature, especially when it comes to planning your exit, planning your wife or your spouse's exit, and things of, you know, things like that.
Yeah, no, that'd be actually really good. That's a topic like you don't see in the internet personally. is like that transitioning, like with going all in on trading or like full-time trading. We should definitely do one on that.
Yep.
Yep, like how to maintain, you know, something, right? It's hard. Not only is it hard to get your freedom with trading, but to maintain it as well, or how to handle success. I like that, JDZ. Those are all great topics.
Can you please check your DM on Discord? Yes. Yeah, after I get off the stream, at some point, if I haven't gotten back to you, I have 441 messages on Discord. So if you guys ever write to me on Discord and I don't get back, I promise you, I'm not ignoring you. Yeah, sometimes I get to some people's message, I'm like, damn, man, they've been trying to hit me for like 20 messages at this point. So yeah, yes. Yeah, after the stream, I'll go through some of these and yeah, 441. Yes, yeah, Max, you good. Yeah, you're good. Hire a Discord manager? Maybe. Hey, Yeeza, I'm happy you're doing much better. Happy you're doing much better now. YOLO Trader, how we feeling? Hey, where'd Tradeify go? We all getting accounts or what? Where'd he go?
Dipped.
No, Tradeify is still here.
Peace, lights, fire.
All right, Max, later. Everyone wants an account, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I like that, Yeeza. Yeah, everything happens for you. Remember, you know, whether we choose to believe that or not, if we can have that perspective that things in life don't happen to us, they happen for us, you will get ahead in life. You will 100% get ahead in life. You know, that's why a lot of times, you guys ever look back at life and you think, man, you know, at the time, I really felt like that was something bad, but looking back, had that never happened, oh my God, you know, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have done this, or I wouldn't have met him, or I wouldn't have met her, right? So keep that in mind when you're going through it in life, that there's some way that it's happening for you, and it's going to be your job to identify that and use those situations to your advantage, so that way they can further your life versus take away from it. Ah, Josh, nice, dude. You got it. He was one of the three.
Damn, nice.
Why don't I trade other pairs? Yeah, we are. We're gonna trade the Nasdaq here probably a little bit this week. Yeah, we were planning buys here on the Nasdaq, but I wasn't paying attention, and yeah. The fade on Nas? I don't know, man. I don't know. Do you want to go against this big, bad, and burly move? Let it play around up here a little bit, maybe. Yeah, maybe let it push up a bit more. Come in there. Come on in there. Yeah, it's true, Nathan. Yeah, it's true. Yep. Oh, is that tomorrow, Travis? Oh, I didn't know that. The Brick Summit? No way. No way. Oh, I didn't even know that was tomorrow. Gold is probably going to go insane tomorrow then. Sheesh. London, who's coming for London session tonight? You might have some pre-decision making there.
Depends if gold's at all-time highs.
Yeah, we'll see. We might get a what happens if we get a nice pullback?
That'll be awesome.
What time do we kick off London? Usually like 1:30 a.m. Eastern. So a little bit before London Open. Yeah, I'll probably be there a little bit before London Open today. But the stream will start at like 1:30. Yeah, 4 hour on NAS. Yeah, here we are. So if you close above, you could potentially fill that wick. But this candle just opened up here, and we didn't close above, prior to that. To be honest, today and Friday have been pretty chill days. Pretty just let price kind of do what it needs to do days. Oh, no way. Yeah, send it over, Travis. George VDM will be in London. Will you meet him there? Is anybody first time here at the stream today? Anyone? First time ever? Come on, Tradeify. Thanks for the mental development. Got 5% loss. Got relaxed. Okay, and got 2% back. Not trying to do anything stupid. Nice. Nice, nice. W. Let's go, Josh. He picked it up. Yeah. Oh, nice. Welcome. Welcome if you guys are brand new to the live stream. We're here Monday through Friday for the New York session. So you guys are more than welcome to join us. Got a bunch of lovely, lovely traders in the chat. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, by the way, you guys can join the free Discord. I think there's now almost 9,000 traders in the Discord. I think we're going to be getting a little bit more active in there as well moving forward. So great Discord community to be a part of, great live stream to be a part of, and you guys are more than welcome to ask any questions, anything you want to learn about price or about our strategy. You're more than welcome to ask away. We're happy you're here. We're very confident that if you're struggling traders, no matter what system that you use, you can develop some sort of consistency here, right? Not only, you may not use our system, but some of the things that we'll recommend, some of the mindset hacks and tricks that we talk about, I think could put you in a much better position if you're currently at break even or even a struggling trader. So yeah, have fun with the stream. Come every day, and we're here to help. You'll hear my crazy kids come in. Sounds like Alea's up. So they'll come in from time to time. but don't worry. How to join the Discord? Discord. There you go. There it is. Yeah, link to the Discord's there. If you're not subscribed to the channel, sub to the channel. And if you guys want more than just the live stream, then you guys can jump in our clubhouse, which is like our little community over here on the side where we stream pretty much every session. How to stay happy daily, even through tough times. Tough times, you got to be happy with tough times too. You know, no one said that you don't have to be happy during tough times. I think being happy during tough times is the best thing that you can do. So remember, don't let outside circumstances dictate internal emotion or feeling, right? You are the thermostat, right? The outside doesn't affect you, you affect the outside. So you gotta really take hold of your mental and your psyche in that type of manner, and just, you know, be a dog, man. So remember, we're gonna die one day. So the fact that you're upset about a little thing or little two things, I mean, it really doesn't matter. So there are no bad days, right? There are no bad days.
Yeah, man. And life, that's how life is designed, man. Like, there's positive and negative things about it. Like, there's pros and cons. Like, you know, the negative things are just the negative things, you know? So they're just a part of life. They're really just a part of life, honestly. I don't know. We could get very deep into it, but that's the facts. Is there's positive and negative things about life.
Yeah. Yep. Life is not meant to be happy all the time. Yeah. Life comes with a conglomerate of different emotions. Potential sells here? Yeah, I think if we can get like a fake out or something, that'd be awesome. Some sort of like closure back below. Then maybe take sells. Or you can wait for some sort of a closure, right? Maybe some support formed like this. And then a closure below that support. So now you got a new support here. And then if you can get a closure back below now, right, that should break the current 4-hour lows again, and then sells look pretty good. That's true. That's true. It's all perspective. Our worst day is someone's best day. Imagine that.
It's always perspective, man. Seriously. It's all about what you're looking at. What are your thoughts? Where are your thoughts, you know, in your mind? What are they looking at? Where's the direction of your thoughts? For real, bro. It's all perspective.
Yeah, we'd be sitting here like, times are really tough right now in life, as we open up our refrigerator and there's a bunch of food in it.
Exactly.
What should I eat? What should I overindulge in because I'm depressed? Come on. Come on, man.
Thoughts are the starting point, man, to everything. Thoughts trigger feelings, feelings trigger actions, and actions trigger results. So if thoughts trigger feelings, then you're feeling a certain way because of the thoughts. So it's something that has to change within your mind. I mean, even the Bible says it, right? I mean, transformation is the renewal of your mind. And then every successful individual have all agreed on this one thing, and that we become what we think about. So I think everything goes back to your mind. So that's how important it is.
Yeah. Life will be boring with only good days. Yeah, it's kind of like sunny days wouldn't be as special if it wasn't for rain. Any giveaways today? No, we're going to do like 10 giveaways tomorrow though. Tomorrow, pull up, we're going to be doing like $250,000 worth of giveaway accounts. Yeah, we're going to dish them out sporadically throughout the stream. So one might come in the beginning, one might come in the end, and then 8 may come all in between.
All right, Nick, I think I'm going to hop off here.
That's true.
And just chill until Clubhouse.
All right, bro. Sounds
all right.
good.
All right, best. I'll see you later. Chat, hope you guys all have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Peace.
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 Who's got good questions? Good questions. Good questions. Make smaller giveaways? Yeah, you guys want smaller giveaways? Which book changed your life? The Bible. It didn't change my life, it gave me life. Days going by so fast when we in the clubhouse. Yeah, that's true. Time flies when you're having fun. Is there anything significant about the most recent 15-minute FVG? I don't know what a FVG is, so I'm not too sure. I've never looked into them or studied them. How to differentiate between a fake out or not? You can't. The only way I do this and the only way I kind of try and differentiate is, am I going with or against the higher time frame? So if I'm going against the higher time frame, kind of like Nas was here, I would expect a fake out, right? That's why we were looking for fake outs here, because the daily was just making a bottom wick. So now if you look at this move here, this was most likely the daily candle pushing all the way back up, and now it's potentially flipping bullish. Let's take a look. Holy, what do you know, right? Daily bottom wick all the way down, and now it's flipping bullish there. So that's how you can anticipate, where some people, they'll take sells there, not realizing that they're taking a sell at on one of the lowest points for the daily to shoot up. So that's the way I differentiate. You're not going to be able to save yourself from every fake out, but using that philosophy and that method, you can save yourself from a lot of them. Other than the Bible, Think and Grow Rich, Magic Thinking of Big, Outwitting the Devil, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Back to Alive, The Power of Positive Thinking, Bringing Out the Best in People, what else? The 5 a.m. Club, Ed Milet, Max Out Your Life. There's a lot of them, man. A lot of them. It's a collection that changed my life. Yeah, can't forget about Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the forex mindset. A lot of books. A lot goes into it, man. Success is a lot of little things. It's not really one big thing. Let's go, Diddy boy. Diddy boy. My favorite book in the Bible is probably Acts, the book of Acts. I just really enjoy reading that one. Obviously, I love pretty much every book there. Yeah, Exodus is also one of my favorite books in the Bible. Is it normal to keep breaking your plan at the beginning of your journey? Yeah, it depends on what type of person you are. You know, so are you a person that typically tends to like start and stop things? You know, for me, like growing up, I was always someone that like I never finished. You know, like there were times where I just didn't finish the job. So one thing for me, like I wanted to finish the job. You know what I mean? I wanted to make sure I like really got over some of the hurdles and obstacles that were in my way. So I don't think I think it's normal for someone to keep breaking their plan in the beginning, but the quicker you adjust, the quicker you could become profitable. I don't care what anyone says. You don't need to take 2 years. You don't need to take 3 years. You don't need to take 5 years. It doesn't need to take you 8 years to be a successful trader. Like it will take you until you can clean up your act. That's when you'll be successful. So that could happen in the first 5 months. You know, we have guys in the elite program, they've only been trading 6 months. These dudes are profitable. They didn't have to go through a major adversity and deal with 100 blown accounts and have this big story to tell. You know, they really didn't. They came in, they hired a coach, and they got to work, and they stopped deviating from the proven plan. And because they did that, you know, they're successful traders now. Do they win every trade? Absolutely not. Are they red? Are they green every day? No. Like, you know, some of you guys think that that's what trading has to be. Green days every day, multi-millionaire, and, you know, like, come on. Come on, man. Richest Man in Babylon was a great book, especially if you have money and you don't know what to do with it, and you feel like you got more month at the end of the money, right? You got to read books like Richest Man in Babylon. Can you speak a little bit about avoiding negativity and increasing positivity? Yes, self-talk. Self-talk, self-affirmations. I am blessed. I am happy. I am healthy. I am worthy. I am winning. I have favor. Self-talk. Self-talk will begin to program your subconscious mind, and that program will build a filter. So that way, every little situation that takes place in your life will begin to run through that filter, and that will be the thought that gets spit out. So if you think you're always bummed out and life sucks and everyone's against you, right, you're going to have negative thought patterns, right? And they're going to continue to have negative thought patterns because you're not changing them. But once you begin to change them and you begin to rewire the brain in a new way, and you start speaking words that give life, right, versus words that take away life, that's when you'll begin to see more positivity, right? So I was using the example in the webinar about how the other day I had gotten out of my car and someone just happened, some lovely individual, I'm sure they're a great person, they just happened to leave a 75% filled cup of iced coffee right where I was swinging my foot out to step outside of the car. And, you know, I was rocking some nice Yeezys, you know, you got your Yeezys on, and man, that thing splattered all over me. So there's two ways of going about it, right? There's looking at it in a negative way and then looking at it in a positive way. And because I'm a sinner saved by grace, I immediately was like, this mother, but then boom, out of nowhere, what happened? Immediately replaced with positive thoughts. Hey, I have Yeezys. I have toes. I have a foot. I have a leg. I'm the man. You know what I mean? So you just begin to funnel and filter each and every situation through that positive or that negative processing, you know, that you have in your mind. Free coffee. Look at that. Yeah, I went down, drank it off the floor. It was just amazing. It was just incredible. I pulled out my Uzi blessing gun, and I was just like, just shot everyone in the parking lot with blessings. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I made sure to do? I'd be extra nice when I went and grabbed my food. All right, they can't break us, man. Gotta go to work. Later, Dylan. Hope you have a great day. Later. All you guys that are dipping out, have a great day. I'll probably dip out here in just a few minutes as well. Unless you guys want to talk about some cool stuff. If not, we'll do that in the clubhouse. What broker am I using? I'm using Tradeovate. So I'm using Tradeovate for my personal funds. It's a United States regulated broker, futures broker. Mine's never shot out a blessing. It's like, whoa, why is there a hole in that guy's arm? How to deal with self-doubt? That's a good question. You know, one of the things that you can do to fix it is make these little goals for yourself. Like, every day I'm going to make my bed. Every day I'm going to walk around the block. Every day I'm going to do 10 push-ups. Every day I'm going to call my grandma and say hi, right? And as you start to do these little things, and these aren't big things, right? They're little things. You begin to develop self-confidence, right? So what's the opposite of self-doubt? Self-confidence. So instead of trying to figure out, hey, how do I get rid of my self-doubt? You start to think in ways of, hey, how do I become more self-confident, right? And this happens by making these little promises to yourself. I'm going to show up to the live stream on time every day. I'm not going to take plans outside of, or I'm not going to take trades outside of my plan, right? These little things, as you begin to follow through on them, you begin to develop more self-confidence. Why? Because you're actually saying something now and following through with actions. Most of the time self-doubt comes because we want to do things and we know we should, but we don't. So we doubt ourselves. That's why it's called self-doubt, right? So just what I said before, positive affirmations, and really making these little assignments and these little tasks for yourself and just following through on them, and start small and then work your way up. There you go. Make your goals small enough that you'll do them. Because, you know, when you set the big goal and you go, I'm going to be funded, right? Or I'm going to lose 20 pounds this month, right? And then the first day you go to the gym, and then the next day you're sore and you're like, let me not do that, right? That's what causes self-doubt, because your subconscious mind doesn't believe you. You don't believe you, right? So your the next time you try and make a run at it, right, come January, you go, you know, new year, new me. I'm going to really get to work this year. And then your mind goes, no, you're not, dummy. You didn't do it the last 10 times. You're not going to do it this time. And that's self-doubt. You know, that's where that self-doubt comes in from. So be a champion. You know, champions do what they got to do even when they don't feel like doing them. Have I started a school for the less privileged? No, but I'd love to one day, and I'd love to stick it to my own curriculum too, and build out my own curriculum. I already have a curriculum based for my future school. How about you? Some of you guys want to build future schools. Do you have the curriculum built yet? Well, no, I'm not going to build it yet. I'm going to do... You're probably not going to get to school then. Right? We talked about it last 2 weekends, about goal setting. All right, see Melly. I'll see you in the clubhouse. Okay. Goldie trying to move down here. What did 930 do? Nothing. Yeah, that's the other thing too. You want to read good books. Good books. Good positive reinforcement to your mind. I was not a positive person 11 years ago. Trust me. Travis, you knew me in high school. Was I some sort of a positive person? Right? Did I stand out as a positive individual, or just regular 15-year-old kid? Travis, Green, if Green's here. I think those are the only guys that have went to high school with me here. Oh, here's what he said. Let me bring it over here. Here's what he said. Look. He said, me and you were far from that. Far from it. We had work to do. Let's see here. So we got 15 second or 35 seconds here. You have a 30-minute potentially closing below. The 1 hour candle's still open. 4 hour candle's still open. So yeah, I think unfortunately we're gonna need the range 2 stuff with the 1 hour, with the 4 hour, and the daily all being bullish. Probably gonna need range 2 here below there. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take a trade here on gold today. Look what he said. But we were always about that paper. That paper. Yeah, I'm probably gonna let this go because most likely what's gonna happen here, for those guys that are getting super excited about these sells, is that you'll see something like this go down, right? Especially being so bullish here on gold. So I'm pretty good on that. If we get a range 2, like if we get the green candle now, like let's say this candle does close bullish, but it closes below, then I might be interested in taking the sell. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, there's a 1 hour support sitting right here. Yep. Yeah, I think that'll be it here today though, gang. Unless you guys have any other solid questions. Tomorrow, bring your questions. Let's have a good educational webinar styled live stream tomorrow where we can do some education, where we can help you guys answer any questions that you have. Keep in mind, Colin Yerkison will be on the live stream tomorrow. If you don't know who he is, look him up on Instagram. He's going to be coming in talking all about Bitcoin mining for a few minutes and how some of you guys can either get involved or use it to save money in your taxes this year. But yeah, I think we're going to call it a day here and head off into the clubhouse. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. We got $250,000 worth of challenge accounts to give away tomorrow as well. So don't miss it. We'll give them out randomly throughout the stream. And yeah, mod squad, gang, appreciate you guys being here. And I am about to be out because, hey, where's Layla? Oh, where is she? Where is she, guys? Do you see her? Do you see her? Where? The boss is here, gang. Gotta go. Hey, you want to say hi to everyone? All right, she's playing games. Glory to the Father. I'll holla at you guys. Whoa, there she is. All right, gang. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys in the clubhouse. Everyone else, we'll see you back tomorrow. Peace.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins, for me he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
about this kind of love. Do I cruise for the sun, they do want us to see the sunrise. Every time on the road, on my way to do shows. Wasn't like this before, I once used to be broke. Someone hooked me for truth. Walking new levels on God, pushing to the limit cause I'm never gone for. Steady prayer, come music, put me on time. I can start swing when I wanna shake with a word. Times and times every day in my heart. Got down but I still be going in hard. Check distraction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, hold the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
Saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. So this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sin is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the Lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.